individual can bring change. That is the point you are trying to argue. There are a number of examples throughout the history that individuals are in a position to bring change. No, but he is not denying that fact. I think if you read C. Wright Mills, he is not denying the fact that individuals are not bringing change. But he is trying to say the way things are being given to us, or the way we try to develop ourselves, that is the main concern and main worries. But he is not denying the fact that man cannot bring change. Certainly man acts as an agent of change at times, but there is another saying that we all the time say that if individuals are changed, take the example of T.N. Seshan, for example, how does he brought electoral reform? He is also one of the IS officers. So therefore, individual occupying position matters, and that brings change. He is not denying it. There are various sources of change. One source is replacing individual with another individuals. And if you read Yogen Singh's Modernness of Indian Tradition, he also talks about sources of change, orthogenetic and heterogenetic sources of change. And if you talk about M.N. Srinivas, for that matter, he talks about orthogenetic sources of change, that how society is changing, how people are imitating other groups. And that imitations, or if you refer to Dr. Parsons, he talks about reference models. So all that is in one way or other are the sources of change. So I think C. Wright Mills is not denying that individual plays great role to bring change, but he is saying that common man is not in a position to understand the intricacies what they are engaged in, and they are in that particular trap, and they are not able to come out of the trap which they are engaged in. But as a student of society, you must develop these qualities as a journalist, as an editor, that you must give a direction to society, because you have that quality of mind to understand these intricacies.